Debbie, why don't you write a sentence on the board for the class?
Okay.
It has to be good now.
It will.
Speak it from the heart. Are you ready yet?
1 minute. I spelled it wrong.
That's okay.
Now I gotta fix it. That's better. Oh. Okay. I saw the teacher nap with the principal.
Debbie's a mother in Walmart.
Stop! Come on, this one, this one.
Kids. Debbie does the Mexican hat dance. Ole, ole.
Ole.
Debbie is a caterpillar / inchworm. Go for it. Debbie the track star.
Oh snap.
Woo! Go to bed. She's trained. Debbie has fun with electricity.
It's dark in here.
Debbie loses weight.
Contact. Okay. Hello?
Are you fat?
Yes.
Do you feel morbidly obese?
Yes!
Want to stop now?
Oh my god, yes!
Press 1 now.
Alright. 1.
All you need to do to feel skinny and safe.
Uh-huh.
Stop eating candy.
Alright, I will. Okay. No one I can do this. Don't eat candy, 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 don't eat it, don't eat it, don't eat candy, 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 don't eat candy. Oh, who am I kidding?
Debbie's sleeping. Let's see how long we put the camera in her face before she laughs. That was a record of only about 7 seconds.
Actually, that's my longest. Hello, Governor.
Weirdo, we can stop now.
Please hold while the next subscriber you are trying to reach is located.
Mexican.
That is the Spanish version. The American version is, please hold while the next subscriber you are trying to reach is located. As if we're dumb in America. We are smart.
Mr. Grills.
Arr.
Nice.
You are sexy. I want to make out with you.
Debbie is a caterpillar. How do you move in these things? It's like an inchworm. Okay, Debbie is no longer a caterpillar.
Can Debbie start over?
She's an inchworm.
Can Debbie start over?
I'm all jacked up